What is up and welcome to another video. Join me today, guys. It's Thursday and again we are approaching the weekend, and Bitcoin is forming a massive head and shoulders pattern on the daily time frame. So let's see if this is going to play out in the coming days or this will be invalidated. What will be the signs that the head and shoulders pattern will be invalidated? And also we'll talk about Ethereum because the Securities and Exchange Commission is investigating right now the Ethereum Foundation, guys. So could this affect the Ethereum's chart? Also, fear and greed index is still on the extreme greed level. And today we'll take some profit live and of course we'll try to find some good trades. So if you are ready, let's dive right in.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, so thank you so much, guys, for joining me daily. And of course, our followers or subscribers continues to move up. This only means that the retails are back in the market and FOMOing into the news because Bitcoin is all over the social medias and mainstream media right now, which means that Bitcoin is almost on that frothy level, guys. But we haven't seen the all-time high yet. I think Bitcoin, in my own opinion, would continue to move up. But in the short term, we could potentially see that final shakeout, guys. I'm going to share with you very important information today. Book of Meme is still up by 29%. Were you able to buy the dip, guys? So let me know in the chat section down below. Let me know as well if you have any chart requests, and we'll go check it out today. Welcome, guys, to the stream. We have Barbara Spencer joining us on YouTube. Desi Boy is also joining us. How are you? I'm all good, doing good. And also, we'll take some profit today. That is why I'm feeling good today. We have also BMK, yo. ASCE, hey, chill. A big fall coming. I will share with you very important information, and we'll see if the previous price action of Bitcoin will play out. We have also Joe S. Romulus is also joining us on YouTube, guys. What's up, ladies? Whoa. BMK. DJ Chill. Lura Leon is also joining us, guys. So, before we start, I would like to say thank you to everyone who is subscribing to our channel, guys. This is unprecedented number of subscribers, because in the past, in less than 28 days, I've gained like 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, almost 5,000 subscribers. And you know, when I made my first 5,000, it took me like how many years? And right now, in less than 28 days, I've gained around 5,000 subscribers. So thank you so much. I really appreciate all your support. And let's go check out the charts. And of course, let's check out the market. So Book of Meme, guys, or BOEM, is up by 29%. So we previously spoke about the falling wedge pattern for BOEM. And right now, BOEM is back to $769 million market cap. Look at that move, guys. So let's go check out that previous analysis for BOEM. So I think that was on the 1 hour time frame that we saw the falling wedge pattern. So still moving on is sideways. So this was the previous chart here. Unfortunately, I couldn't save the chart on CoinMarketCap, but this was the falling wedge pattern here. And we got a beautiful bounce near the bottom of the wedge, guys. So right now we are up by small percentage, but it's better than nothing. So let's see. That's around 60%. That's good enough. Where can I do copy trade from your trades? Hello from Dawood. Could you check out Doge later? Let me open my notepad and we'll... So we have Doge for today, all right? So congratulations, by the way, to those who were able to get into the Book of Meme or BOEM trade. I made a special video about BOEM, guys. So congratulations to those who were able to get in early. So next one, we'll talk about Solana again. BNB flipped Solana into the number 4 spot. XRP, and also we'll talk about Ethereum as well, guys. So Fear and Greed Index, I would like to use this alternative.me chart, guys, because I think this is more accurate compared to the Fear and Greed Index using the CoinMarketCap. So in CoinMarketCap, Fear and Greed Index is on the extreme greed level at 82, and while on the Fear and Greed Index using alternative.me, it is on 78. So Bitcoin took a breather, and we have hit the final target, guys. If you have been following me on my daily live stream, you know that we have hit that final target for Bitcoin, which is the $61,500. Very specific target, guys. If you're going to check out the max here, I've talked about this several times, and we are right now above 80, guys, which means that we are almost due for that major correction. But right now we are seeing small corrections, it is part of the bull market, and we will see a lot of those in the coming months, guys. BTCTA, also Polkadot, Avax. We have a lot of Avax. So her chart request will be first come, first serve. BTCTA. So Polkadot API 3. API 3. Polkadot. But of course, I've prepared some charts. And I think we have Ethereum, Filecoin. We'll talk about Filecoin. Jasmy as well. BTC, of course, we'll do TA on that. Can you check out Lux Algo, Nadaraya Watson envelope indicator in TradingView in 1 hour time frame and see if it's repainting indicator or not? I'm not using Lux Algo indicator, guys. I'm using only Chart Prime, the best indicator, guys. If you can see all of my charts, I'm using only Chart Prime. And of course, the basic moving average, exponential moving averages, volume indicator, which is very important. And other than that, I don't need any other extra indicator. Chart Prime alone is more than enough. Brother, please check ZRX. I'm in trade and little under the water. Your suggestion, please. My entry is ZRX. All right, so let's see if time will allow, guys. API 3 update, Pepe, most important, from Al Paslan. Just passed 2 challenges and got live funded accounts ready for bull run. All right, so we'll talk about Bitcoin. Let's jump into the Bitcoin's chart. So looking at the 4 hour time frame, guys, right now we have this. It looks like that we have this head and shoulders pattern. And we got a beautiful bounce from the neckline level or the breakout point here, which is the final target. So let me open up my Fair Desk account. This was the price action prediction previously, and look at this, guys. We have hit. My initial short entry point was at 72,800. I took initial profit here, 3,500, and of course our Ethereum. I think I'm gonna close my Ethereum long position for now. Maybe let's go check out the chart later. And also Filecoin, guys. Filecoin is up by a significant amount of profit, $1,800 or USDT, up by 168%. So let's take half of it. I'm going to close $1,000. All right. So right now, this is executing my limit order. Look at that. So executing my limit order. Beautiful. Take profit zone, guys. And we are, in fact, breaking above the, all right, so that was fully executed. So we took half or 50% of the trade, guys. We have also Andrej Kozak, one of our members in YouTube community. So Filecoin, guys, beautiful, beautiful. I have set limit orders here. One limit order here and another one here. So I'm going to share with you the chart later. And of course, the possible target for this one. So I'm still holding half of the position. And it looks like Filecoin is breaking above the 200 exponential moving average, which means we are flipping bullish, guys. If Filecoin will be able to hold this as a support, expect another leg up, probably up to 10.5 US dollar. All right. So this is going to be my target here. first target for Filecoin. So if you are following me on this trade, congratulations. So this is going to be my target here, next target. So that will be around price note 10.5 will be my next stop for Filecoin, guys. And if you want to trade on me on Fairdesk, no KYC is required. You can basically follow my trade. If you're watching my live stream daily, you can follow my trade setup here. And I am sharing with you, of course, updates on these trades. And by the way, before you create an account, before you even start trading, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. The ideal breakout target of this, so looks like we have this. We have this trend line, guys. We have this trend line. All right, resistance trend line. And it looks like a falling broadening wedge. And falling broadening wedge is actually a bullish pattern with the ideal breakout target here at the top of the wedge, guys, which will give us 11.6. All right, so this is going to be our final ideal breakout target for Filecoin. And if you are going to zoom out, guys, this was the previous chart here. We'll go back later to Bitcoin chart. I was just distracted about the profit on Filecoin trade. So this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this looks like an impulse wave on the daily time frame. So let me grab my Elliott wave tool here. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4. This was the retracement here. Wave 4 and wave 5. So let's see if wave 3 and wave 5. Let's see if almost the same length here. So I think this is identical to the previous ADA impulse wave, guys. So watch out for this target. Almost 17 actually on the daily time frame. Wow. So let's try to, wow, that was a massive move, guys. Wave 5 will be on the $17. Wave 5. So this is gonna be the impulse wave target, guys. So we have this wave 1 correction right there, wave 3 and wave 5. How did I get 17 there? Let me see the chart. So this is around 16.5 up to 17. All right, so let's try to measure this one here. All right, so this will give us approximately this target here, 14. We have actually 7.9. Oh, okay, all right. So here, all right. So probably around $16 to $17 will be the final target for Filecoin, guys. So I'm gonna continue to hold here. Let's see how it plays out. So I have taken half initial partial profit, guys, on my Filecoin trade. And Ethereum is still running. I've entered long position at around... I want to actually close this one because probably will do some swing trade for Ethereum. But I want to limit my risk, and I want to continue to hold Bitcoin and Filecoin here. But let's see. Let's just leave it there for now. Let's see how it plays out. Maybe probably will go back up to 4,000 level. So that's for Filecoin, guys. Let's go back to Bitcoin. So going back to Bitcoin, we don't have much trade below the neckline, guys. We don't have much trade below the neckline. And this is a huge gap here. That is why I previously tweeted about this. But we have this order block level here, which means that we have a massive limit order buy pressure at around this area. And also we have sell pressure here at around 72,800 up to 73,800 for Bitcoin. But looking at this right now, it looks like that we are forming a possible head and shoulders pattern. So the invalidation for this one, so probably this could be a good short entry point. Of course, manage your risk always. So if this chart will play out, then we have actually a small bullish divergence here. Price is forming lower low while the oscillator fails to make new low. We have a bullish divergence, of course, using Chart Prime Oscillator Pro. So we got a beautiful bounce from the short-term target. So let's go back to Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin, this was our final target here. So from $72,800, I've shorted Bitcoin, and we have hit our short-term target. But I took 50% of the trade because I want to continue to hold, because if this head and shoulders pattern plays out, then we are probably looking at a possible drop to 51,500 level. So this is going to be the first significant support here. And below this neckline, we don't have much trade, guys, and we have a huge gap here. So 61,200 or $300 below this one will, if Bitcoin drop and if daily candle closes below like 60,000, that is going to be our first confirmation that will probably go down even lower. So invalidation, we'll talk about invalidation, guys. So let me just refresh this one. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. So look at this. It gets stuck. So again, looking at the Bitcoin chart, again, we don't have much trade on this, guys. And this is going to be the next significant level of support here, around 50,000. This will be the next significant level of support for Bitcoin, guys. So from 50,500 up to 52,600 will be the next significant level of support for Bitcoin. And right now we got a beautiful bounce near the neckline, guys. Neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. Of course, we have very high order block here, which means that we have buying pressure at around the area. And as an effect, we have seen the price reverse and move up even higher. So right now, it looks like that we have a head and shoulders pattern. So my invalidation will be this 2 candle wicks right there. So this one right here and this one right here will be my invalidation. So what you can see, every time the price reaches this level, we have a massive sell pressure in this area. So probably it's a good level to put our stop loss above this candle wicks. So is going to be our risk to reward ratio for this trade. All right, so probably up to the previous high here. So that will give us 3.5. So we'll consider this one as our short entry point, guys. Short entry zone for Bitcoin. So it's going to be our short entry zone. So I will be looking at this level, but I'm still holding my short, guys. So I'm not going to short Bitcoin because I'm still, again, holding my short position from $72,800. So our risk to reward ratio short term, that will give us 3% risk versus 10% reward if we are going to target the neckline here. But if Bitcoin breaks this support level, then we are looking at probably around 30%, 26% drop, guys. So that will give us a good risk to reward ratio. Now, if you want to move this just to be safe for liquidation wicks, well, you can increase it maybe up to 4%. Hey, Chill, I'm seeing a possible inverse head and shoulders on your BTC chart. Thoughts? All right, so that is gonna be my target for my head and shoulders pattern, guys. All right, so this is on the 4-hour time frame. Oscillator is still looking bullish. Trade it is currently above zero, and we still have a little bit of room to push the price even higher here before we reach the overbought area. Love your streams. You're spot on. Thanks for your effort. Al Adgal. Thank you so much, brother. So this is gonna be my trade setup for Bitcoin, guys. So let's see how it plays out. And this head and shoulders pattern will be invalidated if that 4-hour candle close above this wicks here. So 71,000, 72, 71,500, let's say 71,500. 4-hour candle closing above that level will invalidate this head and shoulders pattern. All right, so that's for Bitcoin. So if you like that analysis, smash that like button, guys. And we're going up. The numbers are going up here. So thank you so much to all the new subscribers in the channel. And of course, I appreciate all your support. So liquidation area, looking at the weekly time frame. So don't forget to manage your risk, guys, because again, lower time frames, 3-day, 1 week, and 24 hours, we have a huge liquidation at around, what level is this? $69,100. We have a huge short liquidations there at around 600 million. So always manage your risk, guys. Manage your risk. I am not 100% sure or accurate about all my trades. There are always be invalidation. So the best thing that you can do if you are trading is to always manage your risk. For example, for these trades right here, I could actually secure a profit here and avoid any losses, guys. So like for Ethereum, I can close this trade right now, but I can still manage my risk. For Filecoin, I can move my stop loss above my entry point to avoid any losses, in which case I have already secured profits here. 3,500 USDT for Bitcoin and 1,000 USDT for Filecoin. So that's good enough for like 2 days. I think we have entered the trade like 2 days ago on this one. So that's good enough. For Bitcoin, that was like a week ago. So 3,500, that's good enough. So, but of course, you need to manage your risk. This one, you can move your stop loss maybe around 69. So if the price goes up, the trade will automatically close. And in that way, you'll secure the trade 100%. So let's move on to Filecoin. Again, Filecoin Impulse Wave. Watch out for this one. I'm going to share this chart in our Discord. Filecoin. Possible impulse wave target. All right. 16 to 17. Next one is Ethereum, guys. Ethereum Foundation faces inquiry from a government. Fortune says Securities and Exchange Commission is investigating Ethereum.
I got a bad feeling about this.
So I think the news came out 2 days ago, and I have actually, when I saw the news, I have shorted Ethereum, guys. And look at this. I got lucky on that one. So this news came out yesterday from CoinDesk, and I posted short ETH, and I have actually entered the short right away. The moment I have tweeted this one, I have entered a short position right away. So you can check out the time, March 27, 27 p.m. All right. Check out the price of Ethereum. So this was my trade right there. Beautiful, beautiful. From 3,300, it went down to 3,100. So that was a 6% move, 600% using 100x leverage. So that's for Ethereum, guys. And this was the buy zones for Ethereum. We have actually hit the first DCA and buy zone, and we are up right now. If you have watched my previous analysis for Ethereum, my own opinion, Ethereum could still potentially drop to this level right here. We have the Fibonacci retracement level. I measured from the swing low level at 1532 and swing high at $4,000. So we initially hit our buy zone here. First DCA buy zone, 3,100, and we are up by 13%. So beautiful trade as well. But I think, in my own opinion, there is still a chance that Ethereum would drop back to this level. Just be patient with your trade. Oscillator is already in the overbought area, so be patient, guys. Similar with Jasmy. So when Jasmy was trading at around this level right here, I have previously mentioned the spot buy zone, which is around this level right here. So 2826 up to 2996 was our spot buy zone, and that was a super perfect buy zone for long term, guys. And today we are up by 900%. So congratulations to those who were able to get into this trade. I've shared this spot buy zone in our Discord, guys. So this high risk long right here didn't play out, but the price went down to our spot buy zone, which is actually a fantastic buy zone, guys. Beautiful, beautiful trade. We have actually the discount zone using chart prime indicator on this level. And look at this chart. We got a wick on this level, and the price bounced back up. Another entry right here. So you have actually, you had like 1, 2, 3 opportunities to buy Jasmy on spot. And right now, it's time to take some profits. New project, EEFi Finance Killer Yearn from the Meow. So that's for Jasmy, guys. And I think, in my own opinion, this is approaching right now the premium level. Of course, using chart prime indicator, one of the best paid indicator in my own opinion. Money flow, POC, we got a beautiful bounce on that order block, soft order block level. And watch out for this premium level, guys. Premium level. I think we are due right now for a correction, but still a potential, looks like a bull flag here on the lower time frames. So possible bull flag target of this is gonna be this. So let's see how many percent. That's an additional 50% from the current level. We have the premium level at 27110 and ideal breakout target, bull flag target at 34234. Which narrative can blast in the coming bull run? I think it's pretty obvious, guys. I previously talked about this. I think AI coins is gonna rule in the coming bull run because AI is just making our lives easier, especially like ChatGPT. We are using, we can use ChatGPT. It's very useful in our daily lives. Of course, there will be a lot of potential and room for improvement for AI, guys. You can like edit, create pictures, like even I'm making my cover photo using AI. You can just type in what you like and AI will generate whatever you add on the description. ID update, negative funding on ID. So which means that the price could possibly continue to move up. So that's for Jasmy, guys, and congratulations to those who were able to buy in spot for long term. 900% in profit. And by the way, if you are asking which indicator I'm using in most of my charts, I'm using Chart Prime, guys, one of the best paid indicator. It is integrated directly into your TradingView account. So if you take advantage of Chart Prime, you will get Markets Dynamic Pro, Market Oracle Pro, Chart Prime Oscillator Pro, and Prime Screener. In Prime Screener, you'll be able to see the trending cryptos. Like, also you can turn on the signal, guys, like buy signal, sell signal, short signal, long signal. And also it can detect like chart patterns, and you can activate also signal mode. So look at this. It will give you the targets as well. So for this chart pattern, it will give you the targets. It will make your life easier, basically, guys. Sell signal, buy signal, targets. So if you're going to use my code in the description down below, you can get up to 50% off right now. So next one, we'll talk about the Bitcoin halving, guys. So previously, if we are going to look at this pi cycle top, I think we are on this level right now. So previous halving was on May 11, 2020, and the next will be probably around April 19 to April 20, 2024, and that is like a 30 days from now. So previously, when Bitcoin was approaching the halving, so this one right here, May 11, this was the next halving here, but we have seen that drop, nasty drop, guys, right? So this happened exactly within the 1 month time frame, guys. So February 11, so we are probably around this area right now. February 11, the next, look at this. So February 11, we are right now March 21. So we are like 30 days away from the next halving. So February 11, previous halving here, last 2020 was on May, guys. May, or what's the date? May 11, 2020. So May 11, February, March, January, February, March, April, May. So before the halving, it's like 3 months before the halving, January, we have seen that nasty drop, guys. This pre-halving shakeout. So before the parabolic run, last cycle, 2020 up to 2021 cycle, we have seen that nasty drop before the halving, this area right here. And I think, in my own opinion, we are right now on that same level, guys. So we are right now on this level right here. Probably we are here right now. And let's see if it will play out. This is just based on the previous data, guys. I have made a separate video about this pre-Bitcoin halving shakeout. So let's see if that will play out. We are like 30 days away from the next Bitcoin halving. Full port BTC short based on the title. full portfolio Bitcoin short. Again, guys, always manage your risk. Do not go all in. All right. So next one, we'll go with chart request, Q&A. Drop them in the chat section down below.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, we'll go with the chart request. We'll check out Dogecoin. I think ID from Akil. All right, let's go check out Dogecoin first. Maybe use this one. All right. So for Dogecoin, we got that beautiful bounce, and this was the previous fair value gap here. So we have filled that gap. I think, in my own opinion, Dogecoin will potentially continue to move up, even up to this, back to this level here, guys. So we have a loud order block here, plus premium zone. Look at that candle wick right there. So probably this is gonna be a safer short entry point for Dogecoin premium level using chart prime indicator. And of course, this was the equilibrium, guys, which means that that is the first level, middle support for Bitcoin. So middle support, like average price, premium level, which means that the price is expensive, you're buying premium, and also the discount zone, which means that you're buying on a discount level, discounted price. So oscillator is below 0 on the daily time frame, and we have a lot of order blocks here, guys. Order blocks sitting at around this area. So let's try to measure the Fibonacci retracement level. Let's just try to use this one right here. Swing high and swing low. So 61.8. So probably this is just a rebound up to 61.8, guys. So ideally, if you want to use the Fibonacci retracement level, you would be setting your short position on the 61.8, which is the Fibonacci golden ratio, and stop loss, you can place it a little bit below the 78.2 level. So that will give us at around 0.17. So short term. So this is just using the Fibonacci retracement tool, guys. So possible short term short position here. All right. So that will be around 0.16 up to 0.166. So I'll set my limit orders around 0.166 maybe, or 0.165. All right. So just put some Dogecoin. All right. So it's pretty easy to use Fairdesk, guys. 0.165. So probably we'll do a $1,000. All right. So I set my limit order right there. Let's see if it will get executed. So this is what I'm talking about. That is why I want to close my Ethereum long position, guys. So a while ago it was on like $200 profit, but let's see. So that's, and 200 exponential moving average is still on this level, guys. So this is gonna be my spot buy zone here. So watch out for this level. Spot DCA. Spot DCA buy zone for long term. It's gonna be start. It's gonna be the next level here. All right. So I think I'm gonna share this in our Discord. Let me just take a screenshot very quickly, guys. That's okay. So let me share this chart. All right, so that is going to be my spot DCA buy zone for Dogecoin at around 0.094 up to 0.1. And going to DCA more if the price goes down back to 0.077 up to 0.08. Next one is we have Avax. So beautiful, beautiful so far. Looks like playing out so far. Muhammad Shahzad, orbs, buying range, please. We have actually a lot of chart requests right now. So Avax, let's move on to Avax. Time check is 49 minutes. Next one is Avax. Let's go check it out very quickly. So for Avax, we have hit our final target, which is the $60. And right now, this was a previous breakout point here. We have small bullish divergence on the oscillator, but I think, in my own opinion, guys, Avax is still consolidating on this level here. Looks like a diamond pattern, actually. So it looks like, I think if you know this pattern, it's actually the breakout target of this will be to the downside, guys, back to this level. Just giving you so this one right here is like I forgot the name, but it's a diamond pattern with a breakout target of this one right here. All right. So if it's from a downtrend, it usually breaks out to the upside. But if it's coming from the uptrend, it usually breaks out to the downside. So let's see. I don't know if I remember it correctly, but as far as I remember, that's this pattern plays out. So watch out for the possible breakout or break of support, guys. So for now, trading range for Avax is going to be long near the support and short near the resistance trend line here. If you want to take a screenshot of this chart, you may do so. But this is usually how this pattern works. So target. All right, so that will give us back to $42. Diamond pattern. So Avax. $41 buy zone. So probably breakout target. 41 breakout target. And buy zone for Avax. So again, guys, probably good long near the support and short near the resistance. Watch out for a possible breakout. Breakout target back to 41.7. Also a good support and spot DCA buy zone. If you're going to zoom out, this is in confluence with our bigger support trend line here. So keep an eye on this support and buy zone. For Avax. I'll share this in our free public Telegram group, so feel free to grab the chart, guys. Avax. Breakout target and spot buy zone. All right, so that's it for Avax. If you appreciate this kind of chart and TA, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. And again, our subscribers continues to move up. Thank you so much for all your support. I think that's it for now, guys. We are running out of time. Thank you so much for joining me daily. I'll continue to update you on my trades, and I think that's it for now. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you're new to the channel and if you enjoy this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. Click that notification bell. And I think that's it. Have a good night. And I wish you all the best. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.